Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this awesome unique torn paper profile picture using Picsart. So this is the example, and if you want to create one, you can just start by adding or preparing two pictures into that you want to add it into Picsart. So you can just select the first picture. For example, here I'm going to add this one as the background, and you can just find the add photo options, then add the second photo. For example, here I'm going to add this photos right here as the second one. Click on add. Now you can adjust the size so that it fits into the frame, for example like this, and make sure that it fits into the object behind it. Okay, I'm going to go with like this. Then you can just click on eraser at the top, then erase the part that you want. Okay, you can erase it how you like it. You can click on the check icon when you are done, and then after that, here go to stickers options and find the torn paper stickers. So you can just choose the one that you like. For example, I'm going to add this ones right here. You can adjust the position and also the size to how you like it. I'm going to go with here. Just adjust it how you like it. Click on the check icon and then add the stickers again, the same one, until you outline all of the part of the photo at the center. Okay, after you add the stickers to all of the photo at the center, you can just go to effects now, go to the BNW and add the silver one in here. Now click on the eraser tool and erase the effects on the photo in the center like this, so that the center is still in color but the background is black and white. Click on the check icon, and that's it. This is the final result. Now you can just click on this arrow to download the result. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.